Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, I've been collecting videos and photos for a few weeks now, and then when I get enough, I'll put together a video of strange observations in the ecosystem, various trees and plants and different things, some that I'm calling massive mutants. You're definitely going to want to stick around for this. You'll probably see some things that you've never seen before. I'm also working on other videos that have been sent in of various observations in the day and nighttime sky from Ryan, Rebecca, Natalie, going to Marrero, Louisiana, Valerie, Ali, ARC Reef. Going to look at some other videos from Brian and Jonathan, working on several of mysterious observations, once again, from the day and nighttime skies. Coming over to the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Bob from New Smyrna Beach, Florida. That is one photogenic sky. Thanks for the photo, Bob. Really appreciate that. I'm going to take you guys now right to the strange ecosystem observations. Various photos and videos of strange things that have occurred here recently involving plants and trees, and in this case, a floating leaf. Video footage taken by Damon from September 13th of 2023 from Wichita, Kansas. Here we go. He noticed this thing here just kind of floating around. Yes, it could have been attached to a long piece of like web silk or something like that, but it doesn't look like it because it's moving around so far. I mean, it's moving back and forth probably 15, 20 feet, and it's going up and down. And not only that, what would it have been attached to? Maybe the roof line, I suppose, but I would have thought this thing would have been colliding with the house. It remains out here in the wide open. I zoomed in a little bit, but it was difficult to zoom in because it was moving around so much. Definitely at the mercy of the wind. But how is it staying up off the ground? And it was moving up and down, not only side to side, but up and down. And you can see it's kind of flipping around in the wind. I don't know. Either way, that is a very weird observation. Once again by Damien out of Wichita, Kansas. Thank you, Damien. Going from Kansas to Central Michigan. Video footage sent in by Nick going back to July 21st of 2023. Have yet another waving branch. Notice the other branches in the nearby vicinity. They're not moving, and that's what compelled Nick to take this video, was this very active branch here that was moving back and forth, not appearing to be influenced by the wind because it's the only one moving. None of these other leaves are moving at all, just this one right here in the center. And again, that's what compelled him to take the video, was the very active branch. And I'm going to put this in fast forward so you can see just how strange it really did look, how nothing else was moving, and this was the only branch moving back and forth. So weird. And that's not the first time we've seen that. Going from Michigan to Decatur, Illinois, this video has some great commentary by Queso, and here we go.
This one plant right here. This one plant is tripping. Come on, do it again. Start on back up. Start back up. There you go. Start back up. There you go. Mr. MP333, what is this? Why is these plants doing this? Shake it again, mama. Shake it again, mama. Shake it again, mama. It was doing this when I went to the store real rapidly. I said, how you gonna do when I come back?
And I'll put this one in fast forward too, and you'll see just how strange it does look. See that one right there? That's the primary one. It's shaking the other ones. It's moving so fast. Great video out of Decatur, Illinois. And yet another example of these wild waving leaves sent in by Joe B. from September 22nd of 2023. Notice these leaves right here. The original vertical video over here on the right. I zoomed in on the left, and we're going to zoom in even closer and put this video clip in fast forward, and you'll see just how bizarre this really does look. Nothing else is moving in the video except those leaves right there in the center of those trees, right there, that cluster. Here I put it in fast forward to kind of give a better perspective of just how out of place that really did look. See how fast they're moving back and forth, and nothing else in the immediate area is moving except those leaves on those branches. Here's a strange moving plant sent in by R. Hot. Goes back to September 11th of 2023. Watch what happens to this little plant here. When he touches the branches, the plant just collapses in on itself. Watch this. It's super weird. He's going to touch that there, and it's just going to collapse. Isn't that weird? It just slowly moves down, and so do all of the rest of them that he touches. Check it out. See that one there? He just touched it, and it falls. touches another one, does the same thing. Touch that one, and you can see it continues to move. And it's not like he was pushing them very hard. He just simply touched the branch, and it just kind of laid down. Very weird observation. Massive pumpkin patch. This video is out of Colchester, Vermont by Kelsey, September 2nd of 2023. It too has narration, and this classifies as a massive mutant, as you'll see here in just a second. Here's the video footage once again by Kelsey.
Here are some regular small pie pumpkin plants. I planted 2 seeds here. Here are some more small pie pumpkin plants. One seed was planted here. As you can see, the leaves are many times bigger than they should be. And it completely took over the front garden.
Are you serious right now? And in this location right here...
Definitely strange behavior.
Yeah, definitely strange indeed. She planted 1 seed here, 1 seed, and it turned into all of this with those jumbo leaves, and it took over half the garden. 1 seed. That truly is a massive mutant. Once again, out of Colchester, Vermont. Thanks for the video, Kelsey. Greatly appreciate that. Now we have yet another massive mutant. These are photos and videos that I've collected over the last few weeks. This goes back to September 11th of 2023 out of Lebanon, Missouri. Photos sent in by Samantha West. It was just 1 photo, but boy, did it make a statement. You're going to see a man standing here on the top of what appears to be, I'm assuming, a 9-foot ladder. Let's assume that that man is around 6 foot tall. He is standing on the top of that ladder, hanging on to a very tall, in fact, a towering tomato plant. Are you serious right now? That thing has to be somewhere in the neighborhood. If the ladder is 9 feet tall and the gentleman is 6 feet tall, must be somewhere in the neighborhood of around 17 feet tall, because the top of the tomato plant eclipses the top of the man's head by about 2 feet. You can see a vine growing way over there to the right, and then it continues to go upward well above his head. So assuming the ladder's 9, he's 6, that makes this thing around 17 feet tall. I don't think I've ever seen a tomato plant quite that large. That definitely qualifies for another massive mutant. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. And if you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. You can always find a link down below in the description box. Look for this red banner that says, "Have a large video." It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.